Welcome to IAS Help Desk. This is the fifth video in the series of Ecology and Environment for IAS Prelims. In this we are covering the concepts of food chain and food web in detail.
So food chain simply describes how energy and nutrients move through an ecosystem. अगर living components को हमने जब divide करा था so they were divided in producers and then herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. So if we see with the diagram, the carrot is the producer, then carrot is consumed by the rabbit. So this is the herbivorous. Then rabbit is consumed by fox, which is carnivorous, and fox is consumed by lion. So food chain is always directional. That is, it moves from producers to herbivorous to carnivores. And it also depicts the transfer of energy from one level to another. So food chain is divided in two parts. First is grazing food chain and second is detritus food chain. So grazing food chain moves through producers, then consumers, and then decomposers. And second is detritus food chains. Detritus food chain starts with fallen leaves or dead organic matter. कि अगर ये fallen leaves हैं, then these fallen leaves will be consumed by earthworms or different forms of bacteria and fungi. Then these bacteria and fungi or earthworm will be consumed by other carnivores. So detritus food chain और grazing food chain में ये अंतर होता है कि grazing food chain starts with the producer and detritus food chain starts with dead organic matter. And then moving to the concept, what is food web? So food web represents multiple pathways through which energy and matter flow through an ecosystem. फूड चेन जो है वो एक सिंगल सीक्वेंस को डिफाइन करता है और इसी में ही जब हम बहुत सारे सीक्वेंसेस को एक दूसरे से जब ऐड कर देते देन इट फॉर्म्स अ फूड वेब. सो एक्चुअल इन रियल इकोसिस्टम कोई भी फूड चेन इंडिविजुअली वर्क नहीं करती है, वो हमेशा एक फूड वेब में वर्क करेगी. सो इफ वी गो थ्रू द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फूड चेन एंड फूड वेब, then food chain refers to the natural system by which energy is transmitted from one organism to another, and food web consists of number of interconnected food chains. Then second is member of higher trophic level feed upon a single type of organism, and in this a single organism feed on different organisms. Food web improves the adaptability and competitiveness of the organism, क्योंकि यहाँ पे food web में बहुत सारे organism एक दूसरे के साथ competition कर रहे हैं and in the process they adapt to the different things for resources. Thank you. Hope you have liked the video. For any query, you can mail us at info@ishelpdesk.in or WhatsApp at 85860 55783. And for more guidance, please visit our website